Look at the objects in the picture. They are shaped like a circle. Oh, what's this? What's this?
Araw.
Araw. Sun. Ito.
Lobo.
Lobo. Galing nga. Balloon. Ito.
Donut.
Very good. Ito.
Bola.
Galing nga. Ito.
Wheel.
Gulong.
Gulong.
Gulong. Galing nga. With a line, the objects that have the same shape as the circle at the center. O, kukonek mo daw dito. Yung mga circle ang shape, kukonek mo. Yan, galing. O, what else? Yung shape niya circle, kukonek mo dito. Yes. Connect. O, where another circle? Very good. Good job. Where's another circle? Good job. Color the objects that are round. Color mo daw yung mga round object. Yan. Yan. Good job. Maayos. Para happy si teacher. Maayos pag-color.
Teacher.
Yes. Oh, where's another round object?
No, object.
Yes, that object is
Huh?
round. Oh, one color lang. Yellow lang. Itong wheel, itong tire. Yung gulong, one color.
One more time. One more time.
Yes, you can do it.
Try again.
Yes, good job.
Again.
Where's another round object?
Again.
Where's
Wait.
another round? Oh, ito. Ito, plato.
Look,
Oh,
yellow.
yellow mo. Slowly lang. Para maayos. These objects have the same shape of a square. Try to name them. What's this?
Present.
Present. This one.
A bedroom.
Is it a picture frame?
A picture pin.
This one.
Pillow.
This one.
Window.
A picture frame. And this is a picture frame. And this is a window.
Picture frame.
Okay. Check the circle if the object looks like a square. O, check mo daw if square. Square ba to? Is it square?
No.
This one.
Check.
Check. O, dito mo check na nun. Yan. No. Yung square lang. Ito.
That's
Box.
mine.
Is this square? Check. This one, is it square?
Yeah. Huh?
No. Ito. Square. Pillow. Check. Very good. Put a check in the circle if the given object is a square. Put a cross if not. Ito. Is it square?
Yes.
O, check. Check it. This one. Is it square?
No.
Ito. Yung box. Is it square?
Yes.
Dito. The handkerchief. Is it square?
Yes.
The cup. Is it square? Is it square?
As a circle.
It's circle. No. X.
Yes.
The
No.
dice. Is it square?
Um.
Is it square?
No.
No. O X.
No.
The drums. Is it square?
No.
O X mo to. Very good.